hello everyone. I'm Dr. Thanya Desha-Puchemani, Assistant Professor from Mahidol University, Bangkok, Thailand. And today we have workshop like DoubleTite. And it's the first launch of DoubleTite in Thailand. So the question is what I feel about the workshops. It's very academic because today we have like two honor speaker from Korean, Dr. R. Dr. R is the dermatologist who invent the machine and he know about the technology of the machine. So today we learned a lot of the unique and privileged technology from DoubleTite, and also Dr. Do Yomori, the dermatologist and also well-known international speaker. So he is a heavy user of the DoubleTite. And he shows the demonstrations the indication and how to use DoubleTite. So I learned a lot. Yeah. So actually I have been using DoubleTite for 3 months. Yes. Before it has been launching in Thailand, but today I get many indications and many unique points from the DoubleTite. So there is 3 unique points that I learned from DoubleTite. So it can target on the papillodermis, which can enhance the skin quality, enhance the skin glowing, help the pore size and wrinkle, which you cannot achieve by the conventional plastinol radio frequencies. And you can also get target on the reticular dermis, which can stimulate the collagen. And in additional, it can be as an injector. So you can inject any solution that you would like to inject and enhance and make more synergized effect to the collagen. So that is an interest about DoubleTite.